Hi and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing Tom Zhu, the man being touted as Elon Musk's right-hand man at Tesla. Recent reports suggest that Zhu, who currently serves as Tesla's China chief, has been given a promotion and will now be overseeing the company's US assembly plants and sales operations in North America and Europe. This has led to speculation that Zhu is being groomed to take over as CEO of the world's largest electric car maker. So, who is Tom Zhu? He is described as pragmatic, industrious, and a workaholic by Chinese media, having played a crucial role in helping Tesla rebound strongly from COVID lockdowns in China, the company's biggest international market. Zhu joined Tesla in 2014, and before that, he founded a project management consulting firm, offering advice to Chinese contractors looking to expand overseas. He has a bachelor's degree from the Auckland University of Technology and an MBA degree from the Fuqua School of Business at Duke University. Despite being a key figure at Tesla, Zhu has made few public appearances and there is little information available about his personal life. However, in a 2019 interview, he revealed that he lives in a low-cost public rental home and starts work at 6 or 7 in the morning, often staying beyond midnight. He also mentioned that he regularly texts with Elon Musk discussing work-related issues and future plans. One of the things that sets Zhu apart is his hands-on approach to work. In 2019, after multiple typhoons hit the Shanghai plant's drainage system, Zhu and other Tesla employees manually drained water with plastic buckets in the rain. This kind of getting your hands dirty mentality represents the entrepreneurial spirit and culture of the company, he said. Zhu's promotion came after an impressive performance by Tesla's China operations. Since 2014, the company has expanded rapidly in the world's largest car market, and in 2019, it built the Shanghai Gigafactory within 10 months, at a cost that was 65% cheaper than the Model 3's factory in the US. One of the reasons for this success is Zhu's focus on efficiency and pragmatism, which he has mentioned in a few of the rare interviews he has given. He is known to work long hours and be highly focused on achieving the company's goals. In a 2021 interview with the Jiefeng Daily in Shanghai, he said, "Efficiency and pragmatism are a style of our company." It's worth noting that Elon Musk has been known to have a hands-on approach to work as well, and with the two having a close working relationship, it's easy to see why people are speculating about Zhu being a potential successor to Musk. In conclusion, Tom Zhu is a key figure at Tesla, and his recent promotion has led to speculation that he could be the next CEO of the company. Despite being a relatively unknown figure, he is described as hardworking and dedicated, having played a crucial role in the company's success in China. His focus on efficiency and pragmatism, as well as his hands-on approach to work, aligns well with Musk's leadership style. Only time will tell if he will be the one to take the helm at Tesla. But one thing is for sure, he will be an important player in the company's future. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on Tom Zhu and the future of Tesla.